The next stage is to measure and size up your tip and apply it. We're going to be using non-blending tips. You don't need to blend these tips. You can just apply them onto the nail and go straight on with your acrylic. When sizing up your tip, make sure that you check it from sidewall to sidewall. A lot of nail technicians just tend to do this, and the nail may look like it fits, but if checked from sidewall to sidewall, it probably doesn't. So really make sure that you put that side of that tip right into that sidewall, roll it over to the other side and see if it fits. You need to decide whereabouts on this nail this tip's going to go. If you place it down here, there'll be too much tip and not enough acrylic, and acrylic is where your strength is. The tip needs to just go right on that free edge. If you want to extend a nail bed, you can actually bring the tip as if it's nearly coming off the nail and then extend your nail bed using your cover pinks. So we're ready to apply this tip now. So we're going to use Nail's brush on glue for this tip. Small amount, just in that well area of your tip. Come down at a slight angle until you see that resin touch the nail and then press down. You're mainly concentrating on getting the centre of the tip applied. Don't worry about the sides just yet. Hold it there for a few seconds. Then use your nails or your fingers to press down those side wings. That tip's now applied. We're ready for cutting. Get your client to lift the hand up slightly so that you can get the tip cutters underneath firmly. Measure the tip up. Squeeze the tip cutter slightly so that it takes the bite. Then you can ask your client if that's okay. You can get hold of the other end of the tip and cut at the same time so that that spare bit of tip doesn't go flying off. Now, because these are non-blending tips, we don't have to file on top of this nail extension now. If you were using gel, you do need to, because gel will not stick to a shiny surface. Acrylic will, so we can put our prep and prime on now and not have to file this extension. We're going to prepare the nail with Nail's nail prep, which is going to dehydrate and cleanse the nail, and it's also going to change it to a pH balance of neutral so that it's nice and clean and dry. The next stage is Nail's primer, again on the natural nails only. No need to put it on the extension. Which is going to change the pH balance of the nail to acidic to match the acrylics, which will make it stick better. That nail is now prepped and ready for your acrylic.